I'm Janice Sack, and I'm a dental hygienist, and I have been for the past 18 years. I was on a search to feel better, and I had gone to another doctor, and I just was not getting there. I was very fatigued. I was always tired. I was depressed, and I didn't feel myself. I felt very, like my thinking was not clear. I had a lot of aches and pains and just horrible. I heard about Dr. Thomas through a friend of mine who sees her, and she's like talking to a friend. Now I feel so wonderful and energetic and just full of life. I feel like I did when I was young, when I was like first out of college, and I wake up, I want to go to the gym. I want to get up. I didn't want to get up before, so I feel great. I sleep great. I just feel like doing things and enjoying life.